Yeah, apparently it is a thing. We got a snow scooter. It's got the tread, the sled. It doesn't look slow, so let's unbox it and hit the snow. Sick. That is not full power. I'm gonna pull out the app in a second to turn it up. This is a unique scooter. Even above and beyond the fact that it's a snow scooter, it has some unique features. The battery compartment is password protected. Twist bell. That actually looks pretty cool. It's just so far from the handlebars. They sent some street wheels if we wanted to convert this to a street scooter, but we're definitely keeping it in the snow setup. I want you to know that this is my current giveaway. I'm giving away a 72-volt E-Ride Pro SS in the bed of my own Ford Ranger truck. If you want to win this whole setup, I'll link my giveaway down below. Whoa.
They're sick, huh?
They're out.
They won't attack you.
Yeah? The scoot's fully charged. The front sled is plastic, so I'm just gonna try not to snap that. Got a big rear rotor. I could not figure out how to tighten this seat though. Are those your brakes?
No, they're brand new brakes, brand new rotor, and I put brand new fronts.
It's just a squeak machine right now. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna send it in the highest power mode. I'm full throttle right now. It's fucking slow. Whoa! This guy's stoked on it. I can rip it?
Yeah, go ahead.
What build have you done on this?
BMX battery, 72 volts, 22 amp power, BAC 8000 social motor. Pretty much the basics. And just whole brakes.
Oh wow! Come on, this is the best feeling ever! Oh, that's the front brake. Right through the powder, so smooth. Whoa! It's so slow. That's full throttle. Full throttle. The stickers are already coming off. We rode it for like 10 minutes and it's already peeling away.
It's this bad boy.
Yeah.
It's 270. Now this one.
Here we go. Come on.
There's three faces: yellow, blue, and green. These are the hall sensors. This one in particularly though has a temperature sensor, which is this one, the white one.
And we're just using the phase wires.
And the hall sensors to make it smoother. Wow! It was so cold, it's not really sticking.
Yeah. It's the final piece here. So L8 E-Rides just set this up on the side of the road. We got a half twist throttle going straight to a controller on the back, connected to a 60-volt battery stuck to the top and connected to the motor. Nice little spark action. It's alive. Yes! What'd you say we're doing?
We're gonna do something called a shunt mod. Don't do it at home. Basically, it's a resistor inside the controller that controls the power output. By adding some solder to this resistor, you're able to trick the controller to thinking that it's outputting less power than it actually is.
No way.
Therefore, you will gain speed and torque by doing this.
Oh! I would totally get one if I lived in a snowy climate, but it would not be my joyride vehicle.
What's going on?
It's because I have nowhere to put my feet. Go wheelie. See, even with all that power in the snow, it doesn't get you much. So the fact that this is going like 5-10 miles an hour, I guess isn't too disappointing, but let's throw 72 volts on it.
Hello. How are you doing?
You guys have IDs on you?
No.
No? Okay.
This is my house.
I'm gonna roll the sheriffs, okay? I don't know. They have their masks on.
We're here.
I lived here for like half my life, and
basically,
I used to come here all the time with my dirt bikes and my quads, my four-wheelers and everything. I used to come here. I have it all in the shack and stuff.
Yeah, I get it, you know, but I just need some IDs.
Oh, yeah.
What's your guys' YouTube channel?
Oh, I want to tell you, but...
If you were interested in one of these, you could hit up one of my shops. We're in LA.
Yeah, what's your shop?
It's LA E-Rides.
What the fuck? They got 3 cops out here.
Dude, even in LA, I call, nobody shows up.
Dude. Oh, yeah, thanks, man.
How much did you say it was?
This one's like 17. That one's like 14,000. Yeah.
You guys built this?
Yeah.
Yeah, where do you stand?
What?
We're working on it. You cool if I touch it?
Yeah, sure. No, of course.
Watch out, it might be on though. Oh no, it's not on, it's not on. You guys would look pretty badass patrolling on it.
Alright.
How fast does one of these go?
I don't know, I went like 95.
Yeah, 80, 95, yeah.
3 days.
Well, we just gotta go to Mexico.
How long is the battery last?
Huh?
How long is the battery?
It's about, this one's about 40 miles of range, this one's about 30.
Is there gears?
Yeah.
Just shift up?
No shift.
No gear.
Just straight throttle.
You can program the engine brake there.
That's.
Easy, Joe, easy.
What's going on now is they're trying to up us from a trespassing charge to a vandalizing charge, trying to get us with the $10,000 fine, but I never went out there.
So it's basically a year that you guys are trespassed. So it's going to be the full year. You guys just can't be on any of the Bear Mountain resorts. I believe they're listed there. Okay, no worries. All of those. And that's really it. It's just those properties. If you guys are found on the properties, then you guys can be arrested, like I explained earlier.
Okay, no, that's fine.
Good. So you guys aren't writing those things on the street either.
Oh, yeah.
Understood.
We've been getting calls, so just make sure you guys stay off the streets, private property, stuff like that. All right?
Got it. Thank you,
Understood.
All right, guys,
Thank you.
You guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. All right?
You too.
sir.
Yeah. Now we're plugging in 72 volts into the scoot. Oh, I heard it. Oh.
She didn't like that.
Whoa. Be careful, bro. That's sketchy as hell.
Yeah, it is. I think it's because it's wet.
That's so sketchy. Whoa!
Definitely didn't like that.
Nice.
Does it turn on though?
Oh my god, it turns on. Wait, hold up, back up. Throttle that.
Yo, I don't really want to be in.
Tried the 72 volt EBMX in there. It's too much.
No power.
Yeah.